Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when you're extracting something from WinRAR and it gives you a checksum error. So how you can fix this? Let's get started. First, open control panel, search for control panel and open it. Make sure the view by is set to category and then click on install a program. Here you have to find WinRAR. Once you find WinRAR, click on WinRAR and click on uninstall. After that, open any browser you like and then search for 7-zip. Here you have to click on the first 7-zip link and then you have to click on this download button. Once you do this, it will download 7-zip setup file. Just run this and install it in your PC and then try to extract from using this. After that, hopefully your problem solves, and if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.